Hi, I'm Jack Starnes. Welcome back to a new school year. We hope you've had a great summer. I'm here to share some important information for Cabot High School, ACE, and ACE North. First, I'd like to introduce you to our principals. Our CHS principal is Henry Hawkins. Assistant principals are Mike Fossinelli, Elena Graham, who is also our Student Success Coordinator, Adam Kaler, and Sue Ann Whisker. Randy Black is our Dean of Students, and Nicole Gatewood is our Coordinator of Career Tech and STEM Innovation, as well as the Homeschool Liaison. ACE ALE Principal is Carrie Lair, and Assistant Principal is Roger Tonneson. ACE North Principal is Georgia Chastain, and Assistant Principal is John Shiren. Schedules for CHS juniors and seniors will be released online via the Home Access Center or HAC at 7 a.m. on Wednesday, August 12th. Schedules for sophomores will be released online at 7 a.m. on Thursday, August 13th. This schedule release is the same for Cabot Panther digital students as well. If students are taking concurrent classes, they will pay online or by mail. If you need to make a schedule change, you will need to call the school and make an appointment with a counselor. If you are parking on campus this year, passes are $25 and available for purchase online. You can find the link on the CHS website. Open house for CHS will be held for all students, traditional and digital, on Thursday, August 20th. More information on specific details will be shared on our district website and school social media pages. Now, here's some important information for ACE and ACE North. ACE is currently accepting applications for students in grades 7th through 12th. ACE North is currently accepting applications for students in grades 9th through 12th. Schedules for ACE and ACE North will be available at Open House, which will also be held on Thursday, August 20th. You can also pay for your ACE parking pass at Open House. Something new this year. Every student in the district, whether they attend in classroom or digitally, will be assigned a Chromebook. Chromebooks will be given out at Open House and the first week of school. If you borrowed one, just bring it to Open House and exchange it for your assigned device. If you owe a fine, you can also take care of it at Open House. Here's some great news. Breakfast is once again free to all students this year. Now, this is an important reminder about the first 2 days of school for Cabot High School, ACE North, and Cabot Panther Digital Academy students. Only students whose last names begin with A through K will attend or log in on Monday, August 24th. Only students whose last names begin with L through Z will attend or log in Tuesday, August 25th. The first day of school for all students is Wednesday, August 26th. As for ACE, ACE will follow their normal rotation schedule beginning Monday, August 24th. One last thing. If you have a new K through 12 student and haven't registered yet, click on the student registration at the top of the district website. For more information, call the central office at 501-843-3363. We hope you have a great school year. Be sure to follow at Cabot High, at Cabot_ACE, and at Cabot ACE North on Twitter. Graduation happens here.